In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link using HubSpot. Maybe you've just added a new product or service to your offerings, and you're ready to start accepting payments directly through your HubSpot account. Follow along as we dive into this straightforward process step by step. To kick things off, we first need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see a menu. From this menu, you're going to hover over Sales. Don't click on it just yet. This will open up a drop-down menu for you to explore further options. Among the various choices, go ahead and select Payments. This section of HubSpot is your go-to hub for handling all things related to receiving funds from your customers. Once you're settled in the Payments section, the next thing you need to do is locate the option to create a new payment link. You'll want to click on Create Payment Link. This is a crucial step as it sets the stage for setting up a seamless payment process for your customers. Now comes a key part of this process: entering all the necessary details. You'll be asked to fill in information about the product or service you're offering, starting with the name. Make sure you choose a name that's clear and easily recognizable so your customers know exactly what they're paying for. Next, you'll have to decide on a price. Enter the amount you're charging for the product or service. Then, you'll need to specify the payment options that you'd like to offer. It's a good idea to think about what will be most convenient for your customers, whether it's credit card payments or other methods available within your HubSpot account. Once the crucial details are in place, you have the opportunity to customize the design and settings of the payment page. This is your chance to make sure the payment page reflects your brand's look and feel. You might want to add your logo, choose a suitable color scheme, and decide on the layout that will give your customers the best experience possible. With everything set up to your liking, it's time to generate the actual payment link. After you hit the Generate button, you'll have your personalized link ready. This link can now be shared with your customers. You might choose to include it in an email, making sure your message is clear about what it's for. Alternatively, you can integrate it directly on your website wherever it makes the most sense for customers to complete their purchase. Last but not least, let's talk about tracking. HubSpot provides tools to track the payment status and history right within the platform. This is a fantastic way to keep everything organized and in view, ensuring you can follow up on any payments and have a record at your fingertips whenever needed. And there you have it, a seamless method to create and manage payment links within HubSpot. This setup not only makes your life easier, but also provides a smooth professional experience for your customers.